I know what I am capable of. So it does not bother me what other people think or what they suggest in my situation. There is no way to name easy. Not a day off. Never give up. Be fearless. Your skill is natural. But skill is developed only after working hard for hours and hours. I just accept a few things and it makes it easier for me. I agree that I will be injured. And I agree that I cannot win every race. I work hard to reduce the chances of all these things happening, still assuming that it will be all. Most people do not accept these things when they are injured and then become weak. You have to set your goals so that you can force yourself to work harder. The desire to achieve the goal is the secret of success. Worrying doesn't take you anywhere. If you start worrying about how your performance is going to be, so you have already lost. Work hard, concentrate, run your best and others will pay attention to you. When you are at the top and everything you do there is win, 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 win. You are a little dull and divert your attention from your work. When you lose a race, it opens your eyes and you become serious. There is always a time when you need to lose, which brings the best time for you. I like the competition. I am a good competitor. And I definitely need to win because I don't like losing at all. I am the type of person who, if I know that I will not win, I will not take part in the competition. Trust your dreams and because everything is possible. I thank God for everything I do. Because of that, all this has happened. Nothing could be possible without Him. Win yourself. I work hard and only then I excel and I enjoy them all. I know what I am capable of. So I never doubted myself. He is a better starter than me, but I am a powerful finisher. I do not like to lose under any circumstances. Do not think about the start of the race, think about the end of the race. I never let the pressure dominate me. I try to live my life in the best way, but I always advise you that you too should work hard and give your best in your work.